Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on HONOR X7c. So you have to start by opening your Google application. Now click on your avatar and then go to Google account. And now go to Data and Privacy and you have to scroll all the way down. Then click on Delete your Google account and you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes. Then click Delete account. And now your account should be removed, so let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click Sign In. Then click Sign In. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so I have to click Next to recover it. And I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And now click Accept. And as you can see, my parental control is bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.